Hello, good morning, student. Today class 9th standard science 2 biobotany organization of tissue. Tissue is nothing but a group of cell. Uh, Tissue two categories. First one is a simple tissue, complex tissue. Simple tissue, first one is a parenchyma, second one is a collenchyma, third one is a sclerenchyma. The three type of cell, a simple tissue. The complex tissue, two or more than types, is called complex tissue. Introduction. Unicellular organism, bacteria and protozoan made up of single cell. Single cell is a unicellular organism. Multicellular organism in a human body. Plant and animals composed million of different type of cell. Different level of organization. Organization is formation. Multicellular organism have specialized cell, tissue, organ system perform specific function. The group of cell designated for the function called tissue. Structure made up of collection and carry the specialized stem cell. Stem organ தண்டு இலைகள் மற்றும் உறுப்புகள் xylem and phloem. The plant xylem transport of water, phloem transport of food. Tissue similarly animals stomach for example organ consist of tissue. Organ type of cell na epithelial tissue, gland cell, muscle cell. Chapter you are learn different type of plants and animal tissue. This lesson learning the coordination of life activity. The plant tissue, first one here plant tissue. Vegetative is nothing but plants. Reproductive tissue, general plant tissue classified two types, namely meristem or meristematic tissue. Permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue, the term derived from the Greek word. This one more question. Meristus, divisible having cell division. Actively, meristematic tissue group of immature of cell, வளர்ச்சியடையாத செல்கள் undergoing cell division. Cell division nothing but mitotic division and meiotic division. The plants meristematic found in zone growth of take place. Example, apex stem, root, leaf, primordial vascular cambium, core cambium. Character feature of first one is a living cell. Plant is a living cell. Example, small oval polygonal rounded shape, a thin walled dense cytoplasm, large nucleus and small vacuoles. Very important one more question. The plant cell meristemative, large nucleus, small vacuoles. This is the flow chart, very important. The higher science based on the flow chart. This is classification two categories. First one is a meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue based on the origin and developments. Pro-meristematic or primordial or embryonic meristematic, primary meristematic, secondary meristematic. Based on the position in our body, abial meristematic, intracalary, nuniac tissue, pacal tissue, iliac tissue. Lateral meristematic in the Tamil meaning. Based on the function, protoderm, ground mesoderm and procambium. And simple tissue classification three type: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma function wise two categories: sclerenchymatous fibers, stone cell. Another a complex tissue classified two types: xylem first one. Xylem is a wood, phloem is a paste. Xylem is a water transport function, phloem is a food production. The xylem tracheids, xylem vessels, xylem fiber, xylem sclerenchyma, xylem parenchyma. This all is a complex tissue. Phloem slide elements. Slide is nothing but solid colloidal. Companion cell, phloem fibers, phloem sclerenchyma, phloem parenchyma. Then vessel type of tissue. Very important. Glandular tissue and lactiferous tissue. Glandular external glands, internal gland. External means outside body parts, internal means inside the body parts. The external glands, glandular hairs, digestive glands, enzyme secreting gland, and secreting glands nacretis. Then internal glands, oil glands, resin, and water secreting hydrox or water stomata. Then the undergoes the mitotic cell division. Mitotic means body cell division stored in food material. Type of meristematic position based on the position plan three types. ABL meristematic. ABL means Tamil meaning nuni ஆக்கு திசு. This English only primary tissue originate. ABL meristematic nothing but primary tissue originate. And secondary shoot and root plants. These are meristematic increase plant length. ஒரு தாவரத்தினுடைய நுனி வளர்ச்சி தீர்மானிக்கிறது. And internal meristematic as permanent tissue. This is one of the permanent tissue in plants. And lateral for increasing stem and root. Lateral meristematic tissue function the growing, increasing stem and root. The ABL meristematic function the found in growing plants, growing point, nunipagadi, root and shoot bring about increasing length. This function only length increasing. 2 more question. Laterally meristematic lies between region permanent tissue. Very important question. Permanent tissue is a internal meristematic tissue, either base of leaf. Example crosses, pines marangal and internodis is a crosses. A lateral meristematic tissue arranges a parallel thickness plant function. Meristematic actually dividing tissue plant responsible for primary direction, secondary thickness, and the permanent tissue those which stopped either completely for the beginning. Meristematic tissue, permanent tissue, two type, namely simple tissue and complex tissue. It's a diagram. Simple tissue or homogeneous tissue. Homo means same, structurally and functionally similar. Simple tissue example parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Diagram based question. The parenchyma a simple permanent tissue, living cell. Very important question. Parenchyma is a living cells. The shape oval, rounded or polygonal shape. Develop the space of them. The plant's parenchyma intracellular space named erenchyma. Erenchyma only aquatic plants. Light parenchyma cell, chloroplast. Chloroplast function only photosynthesis action is chlorenchyma. And this next step of the parenchyma stored in water. The plants only stored the function parenchyma water. Many succulents, xerophytic plants. Xerophytic plants is ornamental plants. Also severe function stored the food reserve, absorption, urunjidal, buoyancy, liquid, and segregation, surattal. Example, do you know? The potato parenchyma vacuoles filled with starch. Apple parenchyma stored in sugar. Next, collenchyma. Collenchyma is one of the living tissue found in beneath the epidermis. Epidermis is outermost layer. The cell elongated, unevenly thickness, non-living cell. Thank you, students.